So guys, if you are actively looking for a job, so I will give you 2 pointers which will definitely help you out. First thing, that you will have to write down your achievements. You should know what are your achievements, and you need to mention your achievements in your resume. So once you will mention your achievements in your resume, it will definitely attract the recruiter and they will connect you back. Second thing, what you will have to do is, this is for yourself only, you will have to write down your weaknesses. So what are your weaknesses, what are the barriers which is coming in between your career, you need to find out. Maybe it's your communication skills, maybe it's your confidence level, maybe it's your body language. You need to work on that. So once you will be mentioning your achievement in your resume, of course you will be more motivated, and once you will work on your weaknesses, you will definitely able to crack a job and you will definitely able to get a good job. So hey guys, this is Sheetal and I welcome you all on my channel Sheetal Rudraksh, and in today's video I am going to share the opportunities with one of the amazing companies. So company name is Wipro, and Wipro is hiring for 2 profiles, and both the profiles are very amazing. So I just request you guys, please do not skip the video, please watch the complete video, because in the video I'll be giving you maximum information, so that once you will go through the video, you can directly go and you can apply. So there are 2 profiles basically, so let's start one by one. So first profile which is available here with the Wipro, this is on hybrid model. So that means few days you will be working from home and few days you will be working from office. So hybrid model is actually in the fashion right now, so lots of companies are using this model, they are saving their cost also. This profile is basically for the graphic designer. So they are looking for a graphic designer who can work on designing. So they are looking someone who can make the designs and who can make the layouts with the help of designing softwares. So if you are good into designing, if you are good into layout, so definitely you can apply for this job, and they want to hire someone who can do the testing on graphics over the media. Now I am going to tell you what are the key skills they want for this profile. So for that I am taking you on my computer screen. So the skills they required are excellent design and conceptual skills. They want excellent grammatical and spelling ability. That means your English communication should be very good. You should have good analytical and problem solving skills. You should do attention to detail. You should do proofreading also. Time management skills you should have, and the person who is high customer focus, that person can apply here. Additional skills if we will talk about, so it's Microsoft Suite, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator CS5, Suitcase Fusion. Advantage to know Salesforce. If you know Salesforce, it will be an advantage. If you have experience into web designing, then also it will be an advantage. So fresher and experienced, both the candidates can apply here, and this position is available for the Chennai location. So another profile is for the developer, and if we will talk about the job description, so as a software support, you are responsible for software maintenance and implementation of complex bugs. Also you should have knowledge of good designing database, and you should have knowledge of basic SQL concept and Oracle functions. You should have strong experience with Oracle package, functions, procedure, triggers and performance tuning, and you should be able to work as an independent. So this is a profile where you will be independently working, so you should have that kind of skills also. Customer communication skills you should have, and you should have experience in effort estimation. And preferred skills are requirement of gathering, experience leveraging test driving, Drop Wizard skill can be an add-on benefit. Implementation of experience can be an add-on benefit, and required to work on ticket-based actively and bug fixing. So if you have already worked on ticket-based actively and bug fixing, you can apply here. And this profile is particularly for SQL, and this is available for the Kochi location. So guys, if you are eligible for the position, any of the position, you can apply here, because Wipro is one of the biggest brand. And let's talk about the application process. So I'm giving you 2 links in the description box, so you can directly apply from that particular links. Once you will apply, your profile will directly go to the HR, and if they will find your profile suitable, they will connect you back. And I hope guys that I've covered the maximum details in this video regarding both the profiles, but still if you have any question, any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new uninformative video. I am Sheetal signing off for today. Thanks for watching.